Welcome back to our next episode of our Framing Plan Set 1 project. Here in this episode, we're going to finish up our closet. We already finished up one side of it. We just need to finish up the front. In the blueprint book, it's really framed up weird up here in the front. I'm going to kind of ignore that part and just frame it up regularly. So let's go ahead and mark off where our base plate goes. So it's a 2x4, so it's 3.5 inches wide. And I'm simply going to make an entire rectangle right there. Select your push-pull tool and push-pull it, hover over one of those other places, or type in 1.5. Whichever way you want. Hit your spacebar to bring up your selection tool, and now you can quickly turn this into a component. Let's go ahead and use one of our regular studs. So I'm going to take this one, hit Control, bring it over here. I want to place it there in that corner. I'm going to take this corner and bring it over to there, and then select this corner and bring it there. Next, let's go ahead and take this one, hit spacebar, let's put it somewhere right there, and we'll put this one right there. Then let's come over here to the other side so we can actually move this into place. Next, we're going to find one of our little jack studs. We're going to take that, hit Control, and bring it over here. Let's hover over the top with the Move tool, and we can rotate it around. And here we can put that right there, and that right there. Next, we do not need this part, so I'm going to edit component, draw my rectangle, select the push-pull tool, and lower that, and then erase anything that might still be there. So we got that. Now we need our header. So take our header, bring it over here, just place it somewheres. Hover over the top of it, rotate it around. This is a group, so we don't need to worry about making it a component or anything like that. And I'm simply going to take this and push-pull it towards the center. Like that. So that way I can redo it and move it to the stud. We probably should have brought this one up here before we did that, but we can simply just come in here. This first one is going to be the entire length. select your push-pull tool. That's going to go up our 1.5 inches. We can turn that into a component, or you can turn it into a group. It's probably going to be a lone thing. So this one, we do need to edit component, push-pull, and this needs to go to there, because again, we need to alternate. So this one goes all the way to the end, this one is shorter. Let's go ahead and make a little rectangle there. Push-pull it up to 1.5 inches. And then on this side, we're going to pull this all the way to there. Now I need to make this one unique. I'm going to edit the component, and then I'm going to draw in my rectangle up right there above that new one. Take your push-pull tool and lower this down our 1.5 inches in order to get rid of it. Our cripple studs are just the same, so we can reuse these. Make sure you hit Control in order to copy. Bring that over. Again, we have one that goes there. We have one that goes there. And then let's just make a guide at 16 inches. So that's where our next one's going to be. And that space is less than 16, so we're good. So there is our closet door. Let's go ahead and we will stop there. As our next episode, we're going to get into our roof and start working through that. Thank you for watching this episode. Stay tuned for more episodes in our playlist.